Whoa, what was that? Hooked up. Wow. Oh no. I might have to... Oh, there we go. Looks like a flathead. On the cast. Come in. Alright, that broke the monotony. Hooked in the corner, I think it should be alright to lift. It's not going to come off. Ha ha ha, there we go. Little flatty. Oh, let me just get that up for you, mate. Slight pressure. Look, I'm just slightly holding in place my foot. I'm not trying to crush him. There we go. Feels like I need to retie that leader too. I mean that knot, sorry. And yeah, off you go, mate. The other way. Just flick you off from here. There we are. That was a nice fish to break the monotony. Haven't got a hit all day. Nice to even just get that flathead. I'm just casting along the side here. Seems rather featureless here. It looks like it's just mostly sand, but along the edges here there's there's some rocks. That's where I caught that flathead. How mad would that be? Oh, not sure what that was. That was a good hit if it was a fish. They got my heart rate up a bit. Could have been a snag though. Alright, so that was probably a fish then. Dang, whatever they are. Holy crap. See that? Certainly a lot of mullet here. Oh, plenty of mullet like splashing in here. I wish I had some bread actually. No, actually, I wish I had my fly rod. A bit of bread. Hook and a bread. Hook and a bread. Hook and some bread. Whoa, what was that? Hooked up. Wow. Oh no. I think I might have to free spool it a bit. Right where the rocks are. It's not good. Jeez, right where the rocks are. I'm guessing it's got to be a mullet. That's no brim. Oh no! Oh. Oysters. I don't think I'm playing it very smart here actually. I don't think I'm playing very smart. I'm just like keeping it around the structure and I can't control it. Wow, this is getting the heart rate pumping. I land it. Jeez, it's not a good angle. It's not a good angle. Look at that. What a fight. I want to see it. Yeah, it's a mullet. Jeez, it's doing a good job. Well, that's probably why. It's hooked in the side. It's hooked in the side, guys. Look at that. Might lose it as I try to land it. But at least we know what it is. Stonking mullet. Wow. Well, let me just look at that hook. Yeah, I don't think that's coming out. He can thrash all he wants. I don't think that's coming out. Yes. All right. Got my hand around him. Yes. That was weird. You guys saw me working that lure. Thought I would have taken it in its mouth, but these guys are really blind. That's the feeling I get. Mad mullets. Good fun. Wow. I couldn't keep the... had to keep the... Had to... Sorry, guys. All right, let's settle down. I'm just a little bit hyped. As I was trying to say, I had to keep the rod above my head because all those rocks out in front. So yeah, that was a main problem. Keep the rod high, keep that line away from the rocks. It was a strong fish, obviously, with the way it's hooked as well. Yeah, so awesome mullet. I'm gonna let him go, of course. But yeah, look at that, look at that for a shark bait. All right, let's unhook him. Just in the side fin here, huh? That's weird. Oh, gee, that's certainly not coming out. Oh, pop. Nice mullet. Let's get down here. All right, off you go, mate. Hold him in the water. There he goes. Yes. So as you guys can see, right? Mullet do hit lures. They do hit lures, because all I was doing, I was just casting in front of them. Now I don't know, obviously I don't know where they are right now. I just know that they're in the water here somewhere. So I'm just casting and I'm just working it. Personally, I think mullet hit lures when they're in big groups and you can place it in front of them. They seem to have one swipe at it. If one has a swipe at it, another fish might have a swipe at it. I think it's competition induced. So there's some mullet in there. So I'm just gonna cast. I don't know where they are. I know it's just somewhere there on the right, I believe. So I'm just gonna double hop it. Now hopefully I don't get snagged up. So rule 1, cast into bust ups or surface action. Could be tailor, could be mullet. Oh no, that rod's tip was dancing. Oh no. Oh, guys, no. It was going bang, 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 bang. Probably a brim or a mullet. Wow. Just bring it out. Probably gonna pull the hook at this stage. Goes for another big one. Nothing. Pull that. There he is. Right in the mouth. Woo. The drag's on real tight. Oh, that's a big one, man. Right there, right in the top jaw. How he smashed that. It's a big one. Right there, he's throwing it. Let's big guy go, man. Oh, that's solid. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's a solid mullet, man. It's a solid one. Off he goes. Check out that wind. It's just picked up all around me. It's a good time to call the session, guys. It wasn't too bad actually. Nice little flathead, and then mullet, of course. I actually do find that they do hit the mullet. Oh, sorry, mullet do hit lures when they're all schooled up. So yeah, just like in one of the previous videos, you saw that happen as well. So very interesting sometimes. So yeah, guys, more to come, of course. Thanks for supporting me, guys, as always, and I'll catch you in the next video.